Here I have an Lexus GS350 F Sport. I'm working on the rear brakes. So rear brakes are very simple. Open one, bolt that back here. I would not open the top one. I'll just open the bottom one. Flip the caliper on top, slide it out, and just take the brake pads out. It's very simple. Let me show you. So I'm gonna open this bolt back here. There's your bolt right there. You pull the caliper forward just a little bit to get it free. Lift it up, slide it out. See that pin? That slides out. Now you got to remember the brake pads. So if the brake pads you take out have anything special on them, like this clip on top, that's a safety guard, you have to remember it's on top, on the bottom, or on the bottom. So I'm gonna take the back ones out. Same way, take a look, and the clip's on top, right? That's how we put them back in. If you get yourself a good brand like this Akibono brake pads, they come with their own hardwares, and it's always a better option where you get to change the hardware on the caliper and you get to change the hardware on the pad. You pay a little bit more money, but you end up getting a lot more things, and you can get a good brake system. And installation is the same way. I will remove and put new hardwares in. It's just very simple. You pull this up. There you go. Pops out. And remember the direction of the hardware. I would clean this, but I'm just going to show you right now pretty quick. So there. Hardware is back in. Okay, I'm going to take it off. Anyway, so you have to replace all four, the two in the back, two in the front, put your brake pads on, and that's it. It's make sure to press the caliper in. I could use a giant plier to squeeze in, or you have a special tool to put in between here and squeeze it in. Thanks for watching.